Alright, welcome back to another video from Appsmoment.com. Today we prepared many great news as I promised you. Firstly, as you remember, we did a server update, so everything is working now and smoothly. And also I promised to you that we prepared special plugin for sending push notification from any website. Okay, this especially is great one for our reseller programs, for our resellers. But before I will start about where you can download where and how to use this plugin, I want to make a very great also announcement as well. Well, as you know, we are celebrating every single year our birthday of Appsmoment, and slowly we are coming to 6th anniversary of Appsmoment, which we will celebrate on the 1st of November. Okay, and for that reason we already trying to provide some cool presents, cool bonuses. So today I want to make our first bonus to our members, to anybody, is that you can get a free ticket to a special conference which is going to be exactly on the November 1st, right, in Malta. Okay, at Malta, which is based in Europe. Okay, this is a special island, and over there is going to be a Malta Blockchain Summit, which is going to be one of the biggest event in the Europe. I spoke a couple days ago with organizers, and they said that they are going to invite nearly 4,000–5,000 people to which will participate in this conference. And as you know, I love blockchain technology. I believe there is a huge future for this technology, and that is why, if you want, simply reply to this email, and the first one who will reply and will explain why he needs access to this blockchain summit, to this free ticket, we will provide free access to, as I say, to this conference. And even maybe probably we can meet on this conference at Malta as well. So okay, so how to win? Simply reply to email and provide the reason why you want to go to this conference. So this is number one. So now let's talk about how you can use this special plugin for sending push notification, combining with application builder. And first thing, that as I said, this plugin is available only for our resellers. So if you are not active reseller, you will not be able to do this. If you are existing in one, you can go to reseller panel and you will find a special section with videos, with tools, where you can download zip file to which you need to install at your website or at your client website. This plugin is based on is for WordPress website. I believe the WordPress is a very great platform. That is why we made customization that it will work for plugins. And the first thing which you need to do is to go to plugin section and click add new and upload this zip file which you got it from reseller panel. Okay, then you will find such name, push notification sender, right, and click at activated. I already did it, so it is activated. Okay, so this is the next step. Now go to settings and you will find push notification sender, and you will see such window and click at this settings button. Okay, for demo purposes I'm using my account in Appsmoment system, and for continuing this you need to get API address from us. Okay, and that is why I want to explain you how you can get this API address for working with this plugin. Go to admin apps/help. Okay, where you are using, as you know, you are using this section for publishing application, right? But now we also added here API request for push notifications. Okay, and here you need to provide your reseller email ID and account email ID in 2.0 builder. As you see, these two email addresses can be different one because, for example, if you are creating apps for your clients, for example, your client has account in 2.0 builder with another email ID, so that is why you need to provide here for which, as you can see, provide account ID, email ID in 2.0 for apps which you want to send push notifications. So it is important that this will be correct one. Okay, and after that, yeah, let's go back. Yes, and submit it, and within 24 hours you will get approved and you will get a reply from us. Then go to here and put here, select basic, here put that email ID for apps which you want to send. Password you will get from us, okay, and ID number you will get also from us. So this two information like password and ID you will get from us. Okay, so put it here and put any protection password here. I put it here for demo purposes, and now after this put here this password for protection and click login. Okay, let's wait a little bit, and now as you can see you will be able to put title, message, right, and also select for which apps you want to send it. This is this version of this plugin is first one. In the second one, meanwhile, when you are watching this video, we are finishing a release of second version, which will allow you to even to schedule these push notifications. So the process is basically the same one. You will only select only the date and time where you want to send this push notification. Okay, so meanwhile, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to participate in if you want to go to Malta, and if you are not active reseller, we are inviting you to participate in our reseller program. Again, meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now.